Hey guys, hopefully this helps one of you guys out. Um, I had a tranny and motor in here brand new. The transmission went out after about 1,500 miles. I had a mechanic hook it up, the torque converter and flywheel to make sure under warranty. Well, I sent the tranny back because it was under warranty. Got another one. Well, when I took the tranny out, it must have leaned back the motor just enough. It popped the cover off the distributor and the rotor maybe, I'm not sure. He said it was loose. He popped it back on. I had him pull the valve covers off because I thought maybe it was a valve. At idle, it sounded great, but when you revved it up, you could hear a tut, 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 tut. So if you guys are having issues, check your distributor cap. I think it leaned back and touched the firewall and popped it. And I had it blocked up. You can also check your headers. If they're cold and the other ones are hot, you might have it's not firing. So thanks for watching.